Ngayon, oras na para pasabugin ang 100,000 pisong paputok. In 3, 2, 1.
Ito pala ang isa sa mga pinakamalalaki at pinakamalalakas na paputok sa buong Pilipinas na naghahalagang 100,000 giant fireworks.
Takbo! Takbo!
Laban sa when you light it up, it sounds like like that. At dahil New Year ngayon, tara, putukan na!
Ang ating unang fireworks, itong bombshell, ang ating warm-up.
Tatakbo tayo ah!
Grabe! Wow!
I was waking up this morning, waking up before it's getting light.
Happy New Year, Mami! Happy New Year po, Ma.
Happy New Year po!
Ma, boy.
Happy New Year din!
Happy New Year, Ma, brother! Happy New Year, Mami! At syempre, ang baby ko dito, ang aking unika iha, aking prinsesa, baby Lanisha! Happy New Year, ma, baby.
Please, oh please, won't you stick around?
Mas maganda sa atin dyan. Okay, sa atin
I
naman.
wanna keep you close, just wanna hold you tight. I
Ayun na!
don't ever wanna say
Yes!
goodnight.
Happy
Stay
New Year!
around. An hour or two will never be enough to be with you.
Happy New Year! Ano?
Please, oh please, won't you stick around?
Lanisha! Happy New Year! Gusto mo pa fireworks? Ay,
Hindi, ito muna. Fountain muna tayo para sa babies.
okay. Ang gusto ko kasi yung burahin na eh.
Hindi, buksan na natin.
Got the feeling in your bones, make you feel right.
Happy New Year!
Mami, dito ka!
Doesn't hurt. Keep me dancing till I'm dead.
Happy New Year!
Point. Yun lang yun. Dahil supot yun, dun na tayo ngayon sa Boracay Fireworks. Ang halaga nito ay 13,000 pesos. Ready ka na?
Munti ko na idikit eh. Tapos tatanungin mo ko kanina.
Isa to sa mga pinakamalalakas, pero warm up pa lang to.
Let's go.
Okay, let's go, Mami!
Ready?
Let's go! Mami! Happy New Year!
Yay!
Okay.
Woohoo!
Pwede na, pwede na. Ano pa lang yun pa? Ang tawag natin doon, pampainit. Eto susubukan ni Utol ang basuka ni Lolo worth 3,500 each. Game, game. Okay, Mami. Sindi. Careful, Mami. Ayun na. Let's go! Putukan mo, bro!
Go, 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 go! Wala na naman!
Hey, bro! Barilin mo, bro! Itutok mo! Itutok mo! Lahat ng balas, tatanggalin natin! Ito na! Puto ka na!
Everybody got dressed up, but I knew I'd messed up, so I had to fess up that all I really wanted was just to get drunk as hell.
Wala na! Supot! Happy New Year and Merry Christmas! Taas ba?
Felt bad, everybody got dressed up, but I knew I'd messed up, so I had to fess up that all I really wanted was just to get drunk as hell.
Ano yun? Yun lang? Isa to sa mga pinakamalakas na fireworks dito sa Pilipinas. At nakikita tong fireworks na to sa Mall of Asia Arena.
Wow.
So every time na may event doon, Mami, ito yung pinapaputok nila. At ang halaga nito ay 35,000 pesos.
Seryoso?
Seryoso. Pero nakuha ko ng 25K. So, naka-discount pa rin
Pwede,
Pinoy.
pwede.
Siyempre, Pinoy tayo, Mami. I-check muna natin yung pamilya natin kung ready na sila. La pamilya! Handa na po ba kayo? Yes! Okay. Mami.
Okay, so first fuse ako, ikaw yung second. Sabay na tayo.
Okay. May gusto ko bang sabihin bago natin paputukin to?
Goodbye 25,000. Ay, mali. Goodbye 2024. Hello 2025.
Yan. Okay. Paalam. 100,000 pesos. In 3, 2, 1, go.
Lonesome and long.
Takbo! 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 Takbo!
Let's go!
Searching for things of these life. Worn out liver and hope in my soul. When the times come these days, I'm sure they might take. I can't wrestle with my angels, and they got a blue heel on my throne.
Yes!
Palakpakan tayo dyan! Palakpakan! Isha, you like it? Good job! Pero hindi pa po yun yung pinakamaganda. So bago tayo pumunta sa main event na magsunog at magpaputok ng 50,000 pesos,
So, ano muna?
ito muna tayong the pizza crackers. Wow! Pizza! Rod, pag sinabi kong takbo, takbo. In 3, 2, 1, takbo! Takbo! Boom! Yun lang yun? Yun lang yun?
Kaya mo na, basta safe, maganda tunog, okay na yun.
Hindi ako papayag. Ngayon pupunta na tayo sa main event, ang Goodbye Philippines. Ngayon, oras na para pasabugin ang 100,000 pisong paputok. In 3, 2, 1.
Yan!
Let's go! Takbo! Takbo! Uy! Goodbye Philippines!
They call me the juggler, 'cause I always have three lovers, and I burn through Trojan rubbers like no other. But when I'm not between the sheets, I'm busy.
Grabe sulit!
As sweet as it seems to be in the juggler. Yeah, maybe someday I'll quit this fooling around.
Pang Philippine Arena nga!
Be the one who suffer. One of them days we go to town, and one of my friends will flag us down and say, you know why everybody calls him the juggler.
No more fireworks, no more.
Climax nga. Nonchalant ka pa din?
Pero meron pa, may pahabol pa.
Bukas na.
So dyan meron, pinakamalakas talaga.
Ha?
May pinakamalakas talaga ako dito. Oo. Paputokin na ba natin? Introducing ang aking worth 10 pesos. What? Na baby rocket.
Seryoso, 10 pesos yun.
Nabi, finisher to.
Sige, tingnan natin.
Bakit nag-uwian na yung lahat? Wala na tayong audience nag-uwian na. Okay, G, ready?
Uy, wag sa sasakyan mo.
Eh, ganyan lang yun, yo.
Skulablab, kinakabahan ako. Daddy, wag sa sasakyan mo. Diba?
At yun na yung worth 10 pesos. Ang ganda, di ba?
Oh.
So cute.
So cute.
Happy New Year.
Daddy didn't raise no till he taught her how to shoot. And daddy didn't play no games, wouldn't let her trade her name for a fake I do.